Hello and welcome back to the Invisible Gamer!
Not just one invisible gamer, but two, and always remember, we may be invisible, but we're here.
And I'm gonna stop you right there. 500 views? Excuse me? You made it past Wario! How could you?
Gamer 2 is really happy about that.
Oh man, I'm so mad. But still, thanks. 500 views, let's go!
Could you
Now
be
just
mad
pass
at 500 views?
Just pass Baby Groot Dance Party for me.
Yes,
has like
let's go to
800.
1,000. He means he's mad because he really likes Wario. I happen to like Mario. Let's go.
Alright,
Where are we going?
Snowland.
Oh,
Snowball Park.
cool.
We have an army of plastic behind us, and you will not know what that is for until a little bit. Not gonna say anything yet. Mostly because I don't know if I'm allowed to say anything about that yet.
Not yet. We've got a few details to work out on that one.
Plus, we have to make sure we have the right amount of plastic.
Yes. Are we just like running around like crazy here, or what are we doing? Ice skating?
Stars.
Oh, where'd you go?
Into the sky.
Oh, are those bad? Oh, look at that.
Remember, if the more enemies you kill, the more points you get. This game is competitive.
Oh, not kill me. What's that little... What is that thing?
Oh, it just allows me to float in here.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. How come I didn't get one of those?
Because there was only one. Stand still. Delivery.
Okay.
Step on the Goomba.
I'm trying.
Goomba.
That way,
You can take it, shoot.
Oh, I skate with a shoe. A shoe.
Oh, there's more.
Okay.
Down here. There's more of those Goombas down here. Ah!
Why did you do that?
I just destroyed the shoe. See, there's two down here.
We got flowers in the winter here. That's cool.
Oh, I keep destroying shoes. I destroyed them. Get the red coin.
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 Come on, one more.
And you probably noticed that at the beginning of this video, the intro and outro that I put in yesterday's post. Yep, they're real.
And they will be on this video.
Which they saw. Hope you liked them. I mean, obviously it's not top-notch DuckTales intro-esque. That intro was awesome. And I'm going to be mad if anybody says that. It's one of the best intros for any show ever. I'm trying to get this bunny that has a star, but you keep making me go off screen. This bunny has a star. Why does he have it? I don't know idea. He's not revealing his intentions. Oh, see, he's down here. Stop in the name of Toad. You can get the star.
Yay!
I gotta be careful. Stamp. Now we have to be extremely careful.
Why?
Why? Because there's a star.
Oh, I'm in the tree. How cool is that? I'm hiding. Find me. You found me.
I could pass through you. That doesn't seem to be allowed.
I'm a meme.
500 views. Man, and that video's
Thank
still
you.
getting views.
Yes,
still.
and thank you very much for that.
Hurry! Hurry!
Oh.
Go! Jump!
I jumped! Oh, how'd you get that cool raccoon outfit?
It was a Tanuki leaf.
You take all the good stuff.
Yeah, but I kept getting hit, so I kept losing it, and then you weren't around when I was trying to give one to you.
I want a raccoons. Actually, I'd like a hammer. I like hammers. Where are we going now?
Oh boy, statue. Statue or Boo House? I gotta do both, but you're just choosing what one we do first.
The house.
Boo House it is?
Boo house.
I
Shifty
think it's
Boo
fitting the
man.
place. I think it's fitting the place where we choose.
Yes. Oh, you're all lit up and everything. How?
I got the
Get all
crown.
the cool stuff.
Well, that's because I got the crown. If you get the top of the pole, you get 10,000 points. Don't touch the boo. Don't touch it.
Oh,
Get one of these flowers that are falling from the sky.
Alright.
Save that Tanuki for me.
Oh, Boo's coming. Whoop.
Can't kill him. So.
He's guarding the doorway.
If you look straight at him, he gets scared.
Oh.
He's like, I don't want to see people. I just want to hunt them.
Okay.
Whoa!
You took a picture. Oh, you took me in.
Whoa!
Whoa,
Whoa!
whoa,
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa.
Wowie zowie! Wowie zowie! Wowie zowie! Wowie zowie! Wowie zowie!
Oh, we gotta outrun him.
Alright,
Nope,
stand still.
okay.
Want your Tanuki?
There we go. Oh, isn't that cute?
Don't lose it. This totally is a normal couch.
I want one of those.
Oh man, it gave you the points.
Well, thanks for sharing.
I
Kindness.
wanted them.
Kindness.
It's because your little tiny crown touched it. Or mine. Kidding me? Whoa, secret. I'm trying to carry you.
Oh,
Trying to carry you up here.
oh, hey. How did that happen? Jumped right off the edge.
I don't know what I did, but I found a star just by touching the piece.
Ooh.
Take these for later.
Oops.
Ah! I'm going for this tiny little.
Yeah, he's coming after me. No.
Just look right at him. Okay, it won't hurt.
Nah.
I got you.
Oh, when he sees himself in the mirror, what happens? Nothing.
Ooh, pipe. Okay. It's fake. Hey,
Nice.
crap!
Nice. Fine.
This is good music. Very terrifying music. No!
Thank you. Now we gotta do it again? I take it from the look on your face, that's a yes.
Lucky I had some fire flowers from earlier. Now let's go get that life. She's right. Jump back. Yep. Jump past. No! Not cooking.
I want to walk by myself.
It's fine. Conduct your orchestra like you do up there. There, safe. Wait, no, you're not supposed to go in the door.
I didn't go in the door.
Peach, don't go in the door. Go back in.
You closed the door.
That the game does.
Yeah, right.
There's something open. That's why we don't go and do it. There was something. was some hidden clouds.
Oh. Oh.
Secret money. What happened in you loving money and a certain game involving the sky and some kind of landers? Oh, life. That's fake!
A lot of fake stuff in this version here.
Been over. In the door.
Now we go in the door. Oh, good heavens.
I'm gonna get the time.
Where are we going?
Alright, come on. This way. Past the moving staircase. Just jump a bunch of times. Back.
Oh, oops. Time to jump.
Couch.
Ah, get the
No! Please don't tell me this is
Oh,
gave me?
that kind of fake is good. Or am I supposed to jump down there?
Nope.
Teleport me.
Try. Try and get you on the top of the flag. No promises. Aiming
Yeah,
is
last time.
difficult. Whoop.
Was it fake?
Yes, it was. Of course.
I don't like this fake stuff, folks.
Oh,
Yay! Thank
Yes.
you. Thanks, Game One. That
Look
was
at
nice.
Tiny Peach. Tiny Peach and Tiny Luigi.
That's fine. I got some points.
At least it's not the actual baby Peach, which does the worst noise in all Mario history.
Oh no, I couldn't do that.
Ugh.
Wow. All right, that's good. That's because I chose the house. Okay, now you get the statue. What are we gonna do with the statue?
Destroy it.
Oh, what's that? Oh,
That level actually requires Peach for 100%.
really?
That's why. Good thing you play as Peach. Okay, I got a capital level to do. No jumping.
No jumping?
Nope.
What do you mean no jumping?
Captain Toad has a giant backpack. He can't jump.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah, this thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got all 5 stars.
What on earth? Which one am I? And where are we? Alright, where's the stars at? Let me see here. Nope.
Comment if you want us to actually play the Captain Toad game. It's pretty fun.
Oh, wait. Oh, we can see
Oh,
us.
you got hurt.
Wait a minute, where am I? Let me get out of there because that thing's gonna come at me again.
They gotta come around.
Okay.
Oh,
Get up there.
there's a little door right there. Right there. Other way.
Yep. Okay.
Ouch you. No, never mind. Get the star. It's right there.
Okay.
Don't fall. Turn around.
Don't go that way.
Turn around.
Thank you.
Go in the pipe.
Come on. Go in the pipe. There we
You gotta
go.
push up.
Oh, no good. Up, there we go. There we go.
And I've messed up. Stay there real quick. Get back. Captain Toad is so slow.
We have to go through that red door somewhere. Oh, this way. Can't go in the pipe. We come out here.
Go.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Store.
Is the red door open? How do I get there? Well, that's
Ha.
interesting.
Idea.
Where? What?
We gotta get below us. How do we do that? Fall down here? Nope. Yep, from there.
Oh.
Half. for
Oh,
another
very
pipe.
good, very good,
And
very
we
good.
can't get hit by Mr. You know.
Yep.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
Oh, keep going.
There's a-
Oh,
Oops. Well, it's gonna take you a little bit to get back up. So why don't you head back into the tiny door?
okay. Yep, yep, yep.
That way you
Over
can...
there, over there.
No. Okay. Wait. And you die. Water level rise. Once more. Alright, now push the button.
What is that P button for?
I already pushed it.
Oh, okay.
It made the water level rise.
We need to get up.
Yeah,
up,
you got...
up.
Get on a wood plank.
Okay.
And then...
Oh no,
Not again!
Alright, I was at the door though this time.
Alright, well, I'm just gonna end the level.
Yeah. There we go.
Puzzle levels.
Hi. And we are off to. Are we doing the statue now?
Yep.
Alrighty.
Gyarados? Sprixie House.
The who?
Sprixie. The fairies are called Sprixie.
Oh.
What stamp we get? Flying
jeez.
yellow.
Great.
I don't even think the 7 ones we need to save have separate names.
Oh.
Fairy
Just
1,
call them
Fairy
1,
2.
2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, we got rescue 3!
Chain link charge? Uh-oh.
Oh, auto scroll, which means you have to keep moving, otherwise the game will just kill you. Get a cat. This is one where your pickup back service.
Oh, no, wait. Yep. Oh, come on. There. Okay.
Careful, this is one where I don't want to pick you up. and
Okay.
get your
Oh,
life.
what? Oh, there's a. Oh, did you? We didn't.
Alright, now we're big. If we can get a cat, I can climb up this
What do we need for a cat?
box.
Oh. Oh, there we go.
I need one.
Okay.
Careful.
Oh.
And I killed us both.
And you took our cats?
How?
How'd you do that? Can't That's not like you. Whoops.
We're not gonna talk about it.
Whoops. Okay, even gamer 1 makes mistakes. On occasion. Right.
Get a cat.
Yeah, get the cat.
The cat. Careful.
There. No, don't die there!
On your own.
Did we get the star? Or
Yes,
did-
we got
was
the
it-
star.
Okay, good.
Ooh! Solid crunch. Do not kill me, little tiny creature. Alright, you need to be a lone survivor.
You just threatened me! Doing!
It's fine, we still have
Oh.
1,087 lives.
Oh, alright.
Alright, stay here. The camera's gonna stop right now. Oh, we have plenty of time.
What is that little swirly box over there? Can I go get it?
Nope. Now you can get it. Teleport.
Oh, okay.
But I need to get the star first.
Okay, okay, alright, I got it.
Up here.
I
Hurry
got
up.
it. Just
Hurry
dancing
up.
around the
If you
pole.
want a cat, get it.
Yep, got it.
Up we go.
Oh, some more of these things.
S'more of these.
S'more. What do you call these? Oh.
Ooh!
Oh,
Oh no! Sounds like Lego Luigi. Oh no! Bye bye. Remember that?
Oh, I gotta come down and get my cat.
And he cussed at the camera killed us. So we were taking too long, apparently. No, do not. Do you see that box?
Yes.
If you ever see that box,
What?
I am warning you now. If you touch it, our 100% save file will no longer be a 100% save file. That is cheating. It gives you invincibility, which sounds good, especially for you.
Yes.
But no, go in the pipe.
Well,
Go in the pipe. Go in the little pipe. Yep. But I'm warning you. Do never, ever. And I killed us again. My bad. I'm warning you. Do never, ever touch that box. Got it? That box is the bad box. That box, if you touch it, it basically says, "Oh wow, you cheated. You totally got 100% completion." And we don't want that. That's called cheating. And a certain completionist person failed his entire run just because he touched that box. We want to get everything, right?
we want to get it.
Because you want to get to the secret
Okay.
bonus room.
Easy, easy, easy.
I had to throw you to get the stars. You always want the stars. You always care about the special things for completion more than your actual life. And this time, though, that role is
That happens to be me, huh? Alright.
What? You kept worrying about trying to get old chest in Skylanders, instead you kept falling off the level. But in that game, it doesn't kill you. I
Where
like
we're
this
going
level.
to now?
I've lost like 10 lives on just this level. Alright, stand on this little bar.
Oh,
Jump.
that's cool.
Just get on the flag. Just get on the flag. Just get on it. That way it could be in the dance. We have to get on the
That was
top
kinda-
of every flag for 100%.
How do you? It like she didn't jump very far. How do
No,
you?
you jump and then you hold it in air. That way she floats.
Oh, okay.
Peach can float a tiny bit.
Yes,
Why? Because
you're
she's got the big, poofy dress.
right.
Why can't she do that in Mario Wonder? I have no idea. That would have been so useful. You fell off a lot.
Once or twice.
Once. Per level. Alright, there's a button in this level that requires Peach.
Pretty Plaza Panic.
And we have 100 seconds.
Oh great! Oh great!
Go, 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 go.
Go, where am I going?
Somewhere. Oh, there's a star. I cannot see. We're on a time crunch. Just take the crown. Just take it. I don't care. Just take it.
What do you have to try and crunch to do?
To complete the level.
Oh, okay. Go for
Every
run,
level
run,
has
run.
a timer.
Oh, okay.
I let you live.
All right.
Get
Yes,
the bunny.
thank you.
Get the tiny little bunny.
What?
He has a star.
Oh, with a bunny there.
Oh, you got him. Alright, you can get the star since... You know what? Never mind. We're on a time crunch.
Oh, there we
Now,
go.
throw
There
you
we
over
go.
there.
There we go.
Touch the button. said touch the button.
Well, if I landed on the platform, maybe that.
Alright, touch button, touch button. Step on the button, step on the button. We're at 41 seconds! 41 seconds! Just for a quick second. I do not like control.
Okay, well, that worked well.
Speeder. Gamer skills. Jumping out of my heart! Stand still! I got you.
Get the bunny, get the bunny.
We already got the stuff
Oh,
saves.
Oh, okay, good.
That's a new feature in this version. Okay, touch the button this time.
I'm touching it.
You have to step on it. Put your feet on the button. It's not difficult. Get the stamp.
Like that.
Because you pushed a button, I give you the right to push this.
Okay.
Get
Alright.
the stamp for your points.
Now don't fall. Don't fall.
Just gonna throw you into the... You landed up right on the edge of the level.
I think we need to practice your throwing skills with me.
Throwing humans. Never thought that was something I needed to
Not
practice.
humans. Video games. Oh my goodness, where are we going?
Sure.
What? That seemed to go faster when did we go off an edge that we weren't supposed to?
It's an edge we were supposed to.
Oh, we were supposed to. Okay.
Chuck you on the top.
Yay!
If
Thank
I just
you.
stand on the edge, jump, then chuck you. It works
Yes,
every time.
yes. Okay, let's do that.
Since I normally get all the stars and bad guys, that's
Yes.
10,000 go towards your total.
There we go.
If you win.
So I won't be at the bottom.
Baby Peach stick.
Oh, that was cool.
Fitting.
Yes, appropriate. Okay, thank you.
Still got 20,000.
That's good.
Getting the stars and whatnot helps. I want you. You want to try and take them before I do. Do not hesitate to try and take them. I will not be mad. You're just playing the game.
I know. Alright.
Alright, I'm ready to do a slot machine. Slots for the people are fun. Last episode was 50 minutes and it did super well, so we're gonna keep it there. We're only halfway done. Alright, we gotta try and get a Jamingo. So when I say go, jump, okay? Well, underneath the thing. Go. Alright, we're gonna do it again. Go. Hey, we got 300 coins.
Oh, cool.
You messing up actually gave us more money. So. If you get all 4, I'm pretty sure you get like 10 dice.
Oh, wow.
I'll try and get it.
Well, that was fun.
We had Gamer 3, 4, or 5. Well, 2 of them. We could have all jumped at
Oh, at the same time.
Alright, we gotta kill
Oh,
these guys.
goodness.
Kill these dudes. Damn it.
Oh, don't.
This one's also a competition. So you gotta step on their heads. Ow.
Stay still. Oh,
Wait. You get the last one. I'm not gonna do it. That star's mine.
oh.
Hey, by the way, if you have the crown at the end, it gives you a bonus 5,000. So, if there's a crown on the ground, take it. Game is very competitive.
Missed a few on that one.
A few.
How many of these green stars are we supposed to get?
All of them.
And
If
that
you
would
want
be-
to play as Rosalina.
Oh, I do.
Okay.
Pipeline Lagoon.
There's a boss rush at the end of the game that requires a whole lot of green stars.
Okay.
In the pipe we go.
Oh, I thought we were going in water. How did you climb up there?
It's gamer skills. It's fine, there's nothing on there. In the water we go. Ooh,
Oh,
sorry, that was only one.
can we go in the pipe? Oh, doesn't matter.
Yeah, go in the pipe. A lot of water.
No?
Chips! Cheap chips!
Did you just go in that pipe? Yep. Oh, we're coming out of that.
Oh! No! Ow!
Got it.
You're now understanding how to play this game.
Yes, I
Job.
am.
Steal!
Steal
Be
that.
ruthless! That's how you play this game.
Oh dear, I don't like this dark. Whatever. Where
We
are
need
we?
money. We need to get back that perfect free crown lives.
We need money.
Every 100 points you get a life.
Oh, okay.
Some Mario game, every Mario game's worked actually. Something up there. Cannonball. Look at Luigi just sink. Grab a flower. Every time you get a power up, you get 1,000 points. Every time you kill something, it's 200. Teaching you.
The basics.
It's not the basics. It's the option basics. Can't pick you up in the water. Down here. You can just walk off. Somehow you can throw fireballs in the water. Don't ask how that's possible. Mario games are not supposed to make sense. Up here.
Is it down?
You don't listen to the game. There's a green star. Green star
I'm
stage.
coming. I'm coming. I'm gonna swim.
See?
Oh.
No! I'm getting the next one. Aha, I have a cannon.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, if you touch one of the cannonballs that I shoot, you actually get hurt as well.
Me?
Yes.
Not nice.
Well,
Don't shoot
that's
it at
what the game programmed.
me.
Ooh, we needed this for a green star anyways. It benefited us. You want them stars. You're all about completion, except getting to set goal is a little...
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, money! No,
What
no,
is
no.
this?
Yes, my star. Let's get all the money. I'll get the time. That's all there is in here. I got the star in here though. I got what I needed. Wait. We need 2 more points for our life. Yes. Progress. No! Money! No! Oh! I get like 4,000 points every time I touch kill
Time
it.
things down there. Ah, get it.
It's actually 3 seconds.
How do you get...
You just don't push anything.
It just... Okay, there we go.
Shoot. That's suspicious. Huh. Green star, mine.
Goomba, go away! Goomba! Fuck! Oh, and he hit me with a cannon and a Goomba. Goomba on top, you on the bottom. What?
Somehow, I think you killed a Goomba because you got like 200 points. Alright, this. Now. Wait. No, I can't do it. Sorry!
Oh,
I'm
nice!
trying to... Alright, well, you're just gotta jump.
What?
You have to jump. I can't pick you up with this cannon thing. I'm holding my charge. That way it doesn't hurt you.
Oh,
Just
my
go.
Goodness.
Jump! You did it!
My own!
And I still got 10,000 too. Cause I
Yay!
had a cat. I had a cat, so I got them.
Okay.
See? You can do it by yourself.
I can do it.
Just beat Peach every time. You don't need to be Mario too. Peach.
Dude, that's okay.
That's the aquatic.
Area over there. Or aquatic characters.
Oh, shit.
As long as it's...
26 found!
Whoa, you
And I got
58.
double.
Jeez.
Holy cow. Don't worry, there's no fried chicken place this time.
Let's see where we're going here. Oh, what is that?
You don't get to see it till we do this level.
Oh,
Which is kind of Mario Kart, but it's not Mario Kart.
I love Mario Kart. You get to race?
On the iPad. Ooh, on Wednesday, which I don't know what day it is, it's Monday. On Wednesday, there's going to be a Mario versus Luigi tour. It's one of those tours where you have to pick a side.
Oh.
And whoever wins gets a bunch of stuff. But you can get a bunch of Mario characters, which probably is going to include Peach and Pauline.
Love
But if
Pauline.
you want Daisy stuff, join Team Luigi. Okay?
Got it.
Because certain characters
This
are
is on the
certain...
tablet, right?
Yeah, I know.
Mobile.
Okay. Yeah, because certain characters are on a certain side. All the characters, one of them is on each side. If you play as one of your characters
Right.
from your
Okay,
side,
yes.
you get the
I
special event
I'll
token.
take whatever side Pauline is on. What is that thing? I want to be on it.
Touch it and zoom.
I
You
used it
zoom.
the wrong way.
Stand still,
Okay.
stand still. Oh, well, you're in bubbles. I'm trying to give you this.
There we go.
Makes you look a little more formal.
What's
touch.
the little pink thing over there?
Those are just little sparksies. We're in their kingdom anyway. Whoa! You have to keep
okay.
going.
Okay.
Told you it's like Mario Kart.
Oh, but we don't get a vehicle to race
Nope,
in.
it's
Oh.
cat cart.
Oh no!
Restart! Restart mine!
You got it, because I fell off the edge. I think you race faster in the bubbles.
Yeah, but you don't get any points.
I know, I get it.
Ooh, it's a slide.
Oh, oh,
I love slides.
oh, whoa!
No, you're gonna get everything before me. Fast, faster, King! Oh, if you slide onto those bad guys, you get the points, which you showed me. Onto the thing of death.
Oh, go up the hill. Whoa,
Up the
whoa,
hill.
whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
Oh, whoa, 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 there's a mystery box down here. Which probably includes Green Star. Get the money! Come here. Get the money! Money!
Don't let the bunny on the pads.
Oh,
Block him, block him. No!
I got him!
Okay.
Mr. Star, we almost had to do the entire level.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh no. Oh, good.
I'm getting everything. Go down the slide, please. Remember, you want to run into the people
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
slide,
yeah, yeah.
so it'll give you points.
Oh.
Both did.
Can you?
Wait, there's a star up here! Thank you, cat. This is why you keep the cat, y'all. This is why the cat power-up is the best Mario power-up. It was in the movie. It helped Mario defeat Donkey Kong. I'm not gonna spoil anything else, just in case. For some reason, you haven't seen the world's best movie. That made $1 billion. I'm sure it doesn't have as many views as a certain kid that reviews toys has 2 billion views.
How did I only get 800 points on that?
You have to touch the top.
Well, how was I supposed to touch the top from the ground?
You're supposed to jump on top of the slide. Get momentum. Bunny stamp. Fitting.
Okay.
See a lot of bunny systems. I want to get all the stamps. That way you can get a
Yeah.
whole chart.
Well, that would be cool.
But in
Oh, I got
order,
one
in
for that.
order to get all the stamps, we have to play every single level with every single character.
Oh my goodness.
Which, because you only play Peach, we're gonna get the Peach stamp.
Okay.
Let me see what's in. Yeah, it's just a life. Cool view. Look at them just saying hells. We're coming.
Coming, coming.
Calm down. There's a lot of train tracks. Is that foreshadowing?
Oh.
Alright.
Where are we at now?
Level 7. Oh, levels.
Ooh, Switchboard
I'm gonna-
Falls. There we go. That's train, right? No?
Chaos.
Oh my goodness. Oh, okay.
Game control. Wait, guys, do not look at that bee in the eye. Oh, you did? Oh man, now you have to like and subscribe. Because you looked at it. I mean, if you didn't, you don't have to. If you paid attention to that bee as much as I did. I don't like bees, y'all. I have a bad experience. Which I'm pretty sure I've already shared.
Yes.
I don't remember what video, but you could probably scour our channel and find it. You get 1,000 points every time you touch something. And killing something gives you 200. This game involves economics. Pretty sure kids don't want to learn. This way. Shoot your fireball. The fly. Or jump off the entire level. That works. That absolutely works. Now stand still. Release the star. Get the star. Share.
What are we doing here?
Normally, you have to dodge that guy, but since we have to start, we just touch him. Proofs out of existence. Like, oh, I can't say that because that's spoiling
Now I
in case
wonder.
anybody hasn't watched the Avengers movies. I saw a video where the new people that did the new DuckTales. Apparently, one hasn't watched the new Avengers movie. And you know the guy that voices Sonic in the movies? He's Dewey in the show, okay?
Oh.
Oh, you're not?
Okay.
Okay, you're listening. So he was talking about it and during an interview. He was like, so like when something happened, my voice turned to dust because I was shocked, just like the Avengers did. And the guy who voices Louis was like, what? They turned to dust? And he's like, everybody's watched that movie. You haven't seen it yet? He's like, no. And then he went to go cry in the corner.
Like Peach is moving rather slow. Is there something?
Yeah, in the water, you have to mash B a bunch of times to get out of it. Plus, if you hold in Y and move, you get to do the famous staff. Are you holding in Y?
Why
See?
she shoots fireballs?
Nope, if you hold it in,
Just shooting.
it didn't move. Yeah, and you have to keep moving. See? You move way faster.
Alright.
Oh wait, I'm gonna write subscribe in the smoke. You. I'll try and do that for a short. Right, subscribe.
Oh, okay.
Smoke.
Oh.
Subscribe.
No.
As you totally should. If you like.
Okay.
Because, I mean, the video got a lot of views, but we only got like 1 sub. I mean, not saying that's bad. I love the views and all, but please subscribe if you want to see more.
We appreciate all
We've
subscribers.
gotta finish this game. 'Cause this game is hilariously fun. Pretty sure hilariously is not a word. I don't really care, but I should probably start taking notes on what words are real or not. Duck.
Oh. What is duck?
ZL. Or just being your bubble that brings you closer to ground. Can you pop your bubble? And take that while we're doing it. Vamos. There's a star over there. Saw it.
Alright.
Jump! Oh!
You tell me to jump when the
Thing is right in front of your.
the thing knocked me. Oh my goodness gracious.
No! Come on! It's up there! Fine. Yeah, touch them! Thank you. And you killed us both.
How did I do that?
You pushed the button twice. I was supposed to push twice.
Really? I pushed that. Are you kidding me?
Not kidding you. That's good. And you just lost.
I don't.
Alright, stand still! Stand still! Come on. Make my life easier, but also your life. Gave you a back membership in Yoshi, and it worked very well. You just shot everything,
Yes.
and if that game had a point system, you probably win a couple times. Because you would killing and shooting literally every possible life
Even
form
shoot.
that
Even
was in your
shoot.
room,
Yep.
that was in your way.
Okay. Here we go.
Start over there. I'm remembering where stuff is. Alright, I can't hit the button. Chuck it. Landed on the platform. We can't both push a button one. You're still in the middle of one. Move! Viminals! That's when I was speaking a different language.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
Now, we have to be very careful. Come here. Come here. Ah! That is exactly why you need to keep moving. Kill those
was-
things! Kill them!
What's
You
that?
demonstrating what not to do.
That's kind of how these videos go. Gamer 1, here's what you do. Gamer 2, here's what you don't do.
So if you came here looking for how to find a green star, you are not going to be finding that because Gamer 2 is doing stuff. How come you always get the power up? It's just not fair. Objection. Why does Peach always get it? I didn't even know until recently Sora was even owned by Disney. Are
You
sorry?
just chucked me off the edge.
Yeah, but this time we're not gonna die due to some circumstances. No, yes we are. Yes we are. Bye. Up here. Jump! Jump! I'm on. No! Live! Please live! I said live! That's not living! That's dying! I mean, while you were falling, you could have at least touched the stamps. You don't have to get Maybe think about that next time. And now you're taking off the sweater.
It's
In real life.
It's good.
It's not getting hot in here. It is not getting hot in here. No, it is. The game just made me throw you, and I didn't even push the throw button.
The game made you do.
The
Boy,
game-
that sounds like an excuse.
Karate. Stay in that bubble for me, will you? Stay in the bubble. Jump.
Ah! How come you didn't die?
Because I had a power up, so let me live. Okay. Steady. Booga booga. I'm speaking a different language, just like Gamer 4. Gamer 4 made up your own language.
the time.
Yeah, so don't touch it. Bubble will pop.
We needed to get
See,
past
now
that.
the Inkling Boy amiibo that I have is
We
staring
needed
at
to clear that first.
delete, please. And we got a bee stamp of all
Oh,
stamp.
great. Your favorite?
We hate bees.
I know. Oh, see? Okay. Well, that's what happens when you're in a bubble the whole time. Well, that's how you get zeros, to stay in the bubble. You live, but
Yeah, just fall off.
0. Okay.
You're gonna have a bigger losing streak than my winning streak, therefore you'll still be winning. Alright, time for Power Hub. You have to choose one box.
1 box. Ready?
Yep. I'll take them. Chose the wrong box.
I always choose the big box, so I thought it'd be different and choose a little box. Wrong.
Nope.
Choose the big box.
50-50 chance. And we're like, power-ups? Eh. Alright.
We're going to the castle?
Oh no, the Bullet Bill Express! Choo-choo! Thomas the Tank Engine comes to Mario, baby!
I like Bullet Bill.
Ah! It was very fun.
Oh,
Thomas the Tank Engine.
that! Okay, I don't think I did well in this thing before.
Probably not going to do well on this one. Sorry!
Just throw me right.
I'm just gonna throw you on top so you don't get 0 points. Touch the leaf. There. I have 1,000 points. Now you won't die. And you just got another 2. Eh! Wait! Bowser's Fury is coming to life before we even do it! Hey, Bullet Bill guys. Killed a food. Over here, give me 2. And you're dead. And I died. You have to keep moving.
Oh,
Dying is not permitted in this level.
Permitted.
Permitted. Oh no, I'm saying food jokes again. It's too close for my time. Once
Alright.
we had lunch right after.
Can't we just, like, ride a Bullet Bill to the end here? Because I
No,
like that.
because it's moving
I
as
was like, where do we get in Mario Kart? We get to ride Bullet Bills. Come on.
they drive to Carf.
Yes, exactly.
Because you're in last place.
Well,
It's a last place item. There's a show. That's why it's your favorite item. Now in Mario Kart on mobile, you get pretty good. You have way more stuff than me. Way more characters. I logged into the game yesterday for the record, and I did 5 races.
oh my god.
Okay.
I haven't been on the. Did I just do that?
I got you back into it for like 2 days. I keep humming the song that Garfield sings in a Garfield movie.
Did we just put down home?
But I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to say anything about that. Otherwise we're gonna get copyrighted. No! You weren't! Missed something. We missed a star.
Oh no. Go back.
Nope, we can't go back.
Oh, because.
Stay, don't die, don't die! Actually, that's good. We can go back. Shh. Don't. There's the box. The evil box. Look at our life count. That's so sad. Not even 3 rounds anymore. I'm going back after the episode. And I'm fixing it.
Ow, ow, ow. There we go.
Wowie zowie, wowie zowie, wowie zow. Popular YouTuber Noah's Ant Dude, some of you might know him. He was very upset that Nintendo did not decide to make an Elephant Mario amiibo.
Oh, that would have been really.
I would have bought
yeah,
that in an instant.
That would have been a good one.
I commented that on this video. I would buy that Elephant Mario amiibo 100%.
Come
For
on.
the record, that's Cat Bonsai.
Cat Von. Oh, I see. Well, whoever. What?
Barbecue bacon.
What on earth?
Don't touch words. Get a leaf. Get a leaf. Get a leaf. Get a leaf. Oh.
There we go.
And I loosed up. Just continue. Just to continue watching a non-leaf toad one time. The last minute from the basic. Apparently, we're supposed to see Titans and Skylanders today. Going back to the studio in 2 days, we're gonna film World 4, which is my least favorite world in this game. It's bland and boring. World 5 is my favorite world because reasons I know it's. You can jump on top.
I tried. So tiny.
Remember, do not go in the boxes. Do not, no touchy. Okay? No touchy. No touchy. Wait, no. Captain Toad, hit me up, boy. Thanks, bro. Alright, let's go. We got the stars. Now, where we have to stand. Not die to the fire, bro. That would be extremely embarrassing.
Come on.
Can I go on top of it? Can I go in this pipe? Oh.
Can we go in this way?
Just go in the pipe. Go in the pipe. I died. Okay, now we have 61 lives. Here we're seeing. I'm gonna go back to 1-2 and do the glitch again.
Oh, now what? Oh, good heavens.
Pom-pom. Just step on her head. So she's gonna make clones.
Oh.
One of them is clearly obvious what one's the real one. The one on them, the real one has a bow in her hair and she throws pink stars. The other ones throw gray stars. Just look at the star they're holding. Then you can find the real one. Hasta la vista.
There we go.
Let's go get free. Or blue. We'll just call it blue. So we were on a train. How is there a castle? Whatever.
Yeah, we didn't design this, so who knows?
Put them in a jar. Hey, whoever made this game and decided to put species in jars clearly saw a preview for Inside Out 2 because they put the other emotions inside jars.
Oh, jeez.
I have not seen that movie yet.
It looks pretty cool.
I mean, it does look kind of cool. I mean, the first one was alright. It just, they just kind of left anger, fear, and disgust out of the movie and just
Sweet
put
bullshit.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I just think the good thing they're doing about the sequel is they're putting the OG emotions, which is anger, disgust, and fear, that weren't really in the first movie. They're putting them all in the main movie. Like, they're putting them all together.
Oh,
instead
wow.
of just leaving them
Okay.
to rot. I mean, that's how Gamer 4 described the movie. Because I didn't really pay attention.
Well, there's
I didn't pay attention when it was playing. I was just like, ooh.
Yay.
Alright, well, thanks for watching. Oh, nope, that's not the end of the episode. We're not done. Because World 3 isn't technically over yet. It's not over.
It's not?
Because of this time. Bowser decided it was a time to throw in a mini-boss.
Oh.
Yep, so we're not done. It says,
Whatever
if you
that is,
look
that's
at the level number. If you look at the level number, it says World 3B. Saying that this is indeed part of level World 3, so we have to do it now.
Okay.
Not allowed to skip it. I'm playing what with Histocrat. Every time on one of these levels, there's hidden box.
Is box?
How come you get the cat? Now, don't worry. This boss involves a lot of cats.
line. Hey.
This is one of the few bosses that's gotta be in the mini boss rush. Near the end of our Let's Play.
Good heavens.
Yep. Chuck me on. Chuck it. Stop doing it. Now the goal is you gotta step on top of these plate things. You gotta step on top of his friends. That way you can go like this. And jump on his head. Don't touch him. You can't climb on top of him. See? There's a cat on top of that plate.
Oh,
Grab him.
oh my goodness.
Got him. What kind of creature is this even supposed to be?
No idea. Weird. Okay.
Snake thing. And I killed him. Now he's crying. Star's mine! We have to go.
Please.
Alright, well, we're gonna do the outro now. Well, we have the new one. You're about to see it in like 30 seconds. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.
Yes,
Please
please.
like, subscribe, share. If
Thanks.
this gets over 500 views, my brain will explode.
Thank you again for the 500 views on the last
Thanks
one.
again.
Appreciate it.
And thanks for watching. And now you're going to see the new outro. 5, 4. Well, wait, we have to see one first. Not bad.
We even really need to see that.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, that's again. Stop interrupting me. Game, are you done? Okay. See a new outro. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.